This is home for tonight. Obviously a logging road, and I'm in an area here. I can see it on Google Maps where the trucks must have turned around because it's quite a big area here. But yeah. Now, as soon as I pulled in, I saw something up there in that bush line up there, and I kind of looked. It was a pickup truck, and then they came down on the road there and head out because I'm off the main logging road about maybe half a kilometer. But I just thought I'd just go for a quick walk before it gets too dark. I was kind of asking Dan, why do they leave like a couple trees like this all over the place? And he was suspecting it was for birds, like for eagles and stuff like that, that they can sit up on top of the tree. I never even thought of that part. Just because of the way things have kind of overgrown here. Looks like this was logged out quite a while ago. Pretty well goes down to almost like a ATV trail after that. Well, if it was dry out, I'd have lots of wood to burn, but it just got done raining. Like, I mean, it was pouring. Oh, what? Oh, it's right there. Stellar J. What? I got nothing for you. I know. He's probably going to follow me because he thinks I got food now. With the fog like that, or the low-lying clouds, it's kind of cool. You can hear behind me. Game cam's out, so I got one here on the mirror. It's not on right now, but so I'll start that guy up, and then the other one here, probably on the back. A lot of times what I'll just do is I'll just set it here on the back bumper, kind of like so. So that'll anything that walks down this road, I'll be able to record. Cool. Actually, the temperature is really good right now. I think it's halfway here. I got out of the truck for a break, and I'm like, what the heck? It was 15 degrees, and right now it's 13. So, I mean, that's pretty damn decent. West Coast. A while ago since they logged this, but if you look at these ones here, these stumps right here, like that's not old. Like that one, you can tell that one was cut a while ago. And anything that's been cut for a while, you can see how the ends of the logs look basically the same color as the logs. But these guys here, that one and that one right there, you can tell they're not old. They're probably like this year. But I have this whole place to myself. Oh, this is pretty nice. So that's getting up towards the top of the mountain. This is the highest road that you can get before you actually hit the mountain. So hopefully I can find a spot on the other side here that overlooks more. And when it gets sunny out, I might actually have a good view. So I'm not sure if it's that easy to tell, but that gets extremely steep. So from the map, this is what I was looking at, is one of these spots here where I can back down and park here overnight. That is so freaking cool. It's amazing that the trees can actually grow on an angle like that. This definitely does not look all that old. This is going to be my stop for tonight. I'd like to be able to say I've been exploring and traveling, but if I went 300 yards, I'd be surprised. So I am at the last spot here before I go back into where they haven't logged and go back to the main. So obviously you can tell they've logged here, and it's this ends right behind me here. So I thought, you know what? The hill is like the mountain's right beside me here, and from where I'm sitting right now, I know from up there I did, but I just backed down. Like I said, I can see some islands out there, so I'm hoping when this fog and the clouds disappear in 2 days, I'll actually have a nice view of the ocean, but we'll see. But it looks like I'm going to be here. Today's Sunday. It looks like I'm going to be here till Tuesday morning, because it's going to be raining like this for the next minimum is 24 hours. So, well, I packed everything up to go about 300 yards, guys. But anyways, I found another spot here. I saw it on I saw it on Google Maps. Anyways, yeah, I put everything away and I just drove about 300 yards to come up here. It's still downpouring out there, but I have the mountains to one side and another cut area to this side here. I'm hoping, like I said, I'm hoping by Tuesday, it shows it's supposed to be sunny, so I should get a good view of the ocean. But there we go, guys. That's the ocean right there. It just cleared up just enough for me to be able to see it. There's a bunch of islands out there just off the coast of Vancouver Island. But yep, that's the Pacific Ocean. Okay, guys, so what I'm gonna, as you can see out there, let me show you. It's still raining. It hasn't stopped raining in 4 days. It really came down last night, but I want to take a shower, but I'm conserving my propane, so I'm going to actually use just strictly cold water out of my tank. So it's 11 degrees outside Celsius, 52 degrees Fahrenheit, and but my tanks will be a little bit warmer because I am keeping it warmer in here. So I don't know what the tanks are, but I'll guarantee you it's no shower temperature. But I'm going to take a shower outside to keep the moisture outside. I've been running my dehumidifiers all day today, so I thought, you know what? Rather than dealing with getting the shower here all steamed up and all, trying to deal with it, more humidity, hell, I'm just going to do it outside. Suck it up, princess, right? So anyways, I'm going to do that. All right then. I gotta say that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I actually think the water, it was warmer than I thought, because every now, like, I'm not sure, I haven't looked at the footage yet, but it actually looked like there was a bit of steam coming off, and I'm thinking, okay, why is there steam? But it is cool outside, so the inside temperature of my camper that heats up the tanks, obviously is definitely warmer than outside. But it was definitely cool water. There's nothing better than a nice shower out in wilderness. Well guys, this is it. I waited 3 days for this. So this is where I've been for 3 days, and there's a truck camper, but look at that. It's not raining. What a beautiful view. So it's going to be it for this video. I was sorry I didn't do a whole lot of exploring and show you, because it was just absolutely pouring, and it's nice here, but I've been here. Well, I spent the 1 night over there and 2 nights right here, and it's only just right there basically is where I was. So it's time to move off this side of the mountain here. I put my game cams out, and I never even got as much as a squirrel. And to be quite honest, I haven't even seen a bird, which is very, very odd. I don't know. I haven't seen anything. So, but anyways, still beautiful, absolutely beautiful area. So guys, like always, be good, be kind, be careful. We're gonna talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.